Now let's try the examples. So it says, what volume will 2 grams of nitrogen gas occupy at 25 degrees Celsius and 105 kilopascals? So once again, the unifying concept is the mole. So that's the first thing we're going to find. The number of moles of nitrogen is equal to a mass over formula mass. So the mass in this case is 2 grams. The formula mass is 28.02. So working this out on the calculator, it comes out to 0.071377 moles. Now at this stage I would store that information. Now, because we're trying to find a volume, we're going to have to convert our temperature to Kelvin. So we're going to go temperature is equal to 25, add 273.15, and it comes out to 298.15 Kelvin. So now we're ready to do PV equals nRT. So our pressure, we've been told, is 105 kilopascals. We don't know the volume. We know the number of moles is 0.071377. Gas constant's 8.314. And the temperature is 298.15 Kelvin. So therefore the volume will come out to 1.69 litres. Now let's check our significant figures. This quantity only has one significant figure, so it means our final volume will be 2 litres. Now let's try another example. It says determine the molecular mass of a gas, so we don't know what the gas is. If 179 grams of it occupies 48 litres, 320 kilopascals and 57 degrees Celsius. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to convert my temperature into Kelvin. So 57 add 273.15, and this comes out to 330.15 Kelvin. Now I'm trying to find the number of moles. I've got a volume, I've got a pressure, and I've got a temperature. So I'm going to use PV equals nRT, the ideal gas equation. The pressure is 320, the volume was 48, we don't know the number of moles, but we do know the gas constant's 8.314, and the temperature is 330.15. So rearranging this, I find that my number of moles comes out to 5.596 moles. Now remember, the mole is a unifying concept, so the number of moles of gas is equal to a mass over a formula mass or a molecular mass. So in this case, we know the number of moles of gas is 5.596. We know the mass of the gas was 179 grams, but we don't know the formula mass. So the formula mass is equal to 179 divided by 5.596. And this comes out to, two significant figures is our answer, 32 grams per mole. So my guess is, if we're trying to find a gas that is about 32 grams of mole, my guess would be it is oxygen gas.